Right, this video will detail a load for the tipper wagon. I've had many questions asking for a particular load to go in this type of wagon. So I spent a bit of time and this is what I've developed. Due to the size and weight of it, it comes as an extra, and due to the wonderful system of the post we have, it has to go as a small parcel. It's just too big to go as a large letter. Anyway, let me show you what I've done. First thing we have to do is we have to make up a box of which I supplied part of the kit that will drop into the actual tipper wagon. So that will drop in like that. And then I'm offering 3 versions of load. They're all sort of a sand load. So we've got that one there with sort of 6 lumps on it. And then we've got that one there, best thing we are, with 2 lumps on it. And then we've got that one with 1 lump on. And you literally just drop that in. And if I hold it up, that's the load. And then I'll just take them out. And if I drop in the double one. So again, hopefully you can see that. There we go. And then we have that. Now, this does make it very, very top heavy, not to fall off the rails, but to sort of tip itself. If I turn it sideways, there we go. Because it's top heavy, it can tip. Now, supplied in the kit, not this kit, but the actual wagon kit itself, is there we go. You see where the pins go through there? Well, in the kit I now supply 1 2mm nut and bolt, so you can actually replace one of the pins, probably the end ones are the best, and put a nut and bolt in there instead, and then when you tighten the nut and bolt up, it will crimp that joint and will actually lock the wagon in the upright position. Right, so let's build the box. Very, very straightforward. These come ready cut to the right sizes. There's a slight burr underneath, flashing mark, call it what you like, which you can sand off if you want to, or just leave it. It doesn't show when it's turned over. You can paint these, obviously any colour you like. Right, let's move on to building the box. Right, I've just got to find the bits. There we go. Right. The actual box comes with flat panel, 4 sides, very straightforward to do. It's easier to do it with an elastic band, which I don't seem to have. There we go. Right. I'll just have to sit down for this one. Oh, right. Best way I found to do it is to, we can see it's fairly obvious how it all goes together. One into the side, one into that side, and put one on the end. One onto that end, and then if you just slip an elastic band over the whole thing, keep some pressure down. So if you lift it up now, you'll leave the bottom bit behind, and then slide it to one side so you can grab the whole thing as a box. And then I'll just run some super glue up there, do it where each tang is, up there, tang in there, up there, tang, tang, and up that corner. Let that go off, about 5 minutes worth, or of course you can use PVA wood glue if you like. And then when it's gone off, pop the elastic band off, and this is what you end up with. Then it's a case of literally drop him in, drop in your chosen load, and away you go. Simple, straightforward, and looks very realistic. The actual mould I made from making up a real sand load and then taking a casting of it, or a mould of it, of which I cast these from. The actual weight of them is, hang on, I'll find out. The actual weight of them is in the order of 50 to 60 grams, but of course it's quite high up. I hope that's of use to you. If you do want the load as well, then let me know and I can give you a price. I'm guessing it's going to be in the order of, including postage, about 7, maybe 8 quid, unfortunately, because posting, I think, for a second class small parcel is about £3.25 to start with. And then I've got to add on to that my box, packing, bubble wrap, the article I make, and a few pennies for myself. So there we go. Thank you.